How to fix Meta Glasses speakers not working. So if you want to fix your Meta Glasses speakers not working, then first thing you need to do is you need to confirm that the audio output is working or not. So start by playing a song or a video on your phone. Open your Bluetooth or your media output settings and verify that the Meta Glasses, such as any Meta Glasses you have, are selected as the playback device. If your phone is connected to other Bluetooth accessories like earbuds, speakers, or a car system, disconnect them so the audio doesn't get redirected. But if that doesn't solve your issue, then you can try resetting the glasses. A quick reset can clear your temporary audiobooks. Place the glasses into the charging case, close the lid, and wait for about 30 seconds. After that, open the case, put the glasses back on, and test the audio again. And if that doesn't solve your issue as well, then you get a refreshed Bluetooth on your phone. Turn off Bluetooth on your device and just wait for around 10 seconds and then turn it back on. And reconnect the glasses. This often resolves your sound issues. Make sure that the volume is turned up on both the glasses and your phone. You can use your touch controls on your glasses to raise the volume. Then check your phone's media and call volume. You can also check the dust or debris that can reduce your sound output over time. Generally, clean the openings if needed. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below.
Thanks for watching.